So at a high level, the document retention policy is critical. Basically, documentation needs to survive the expected life of the product. Not every bit of documentation has to be retained or should be retained. Most manufacturers don't realize the depth of the types of documents that a plaintiff will demand during discovery, or the toll that it can take on business resources and productivity to respond. So a good understanding of the litigation process is essential, and we recommend that they get legal counsel to help them develop a clear policy on the types of documents that they should retain. So that's at a high level. For more specific things to document, it's important to note that plaintiffs will argue any of three prevalent theories of negligence within product liability: defective design, defective warnings, and defective manufacturing quality. Manufacturers should be prepared to defend against each of these.